life is all around us, and so is energy, the natural energies in the water, in the air, in the plants. They're all available to us for healing. The old wisdom shows us that these are places of healing if we can find them in nature. When I'm in the nature, I take time to listen to the sounds, look for the animals, look for the life, and be thankful for everything that we've been given in this world, because it is in nature that we can start to find where we came from, why we're here. Nature gives us signs of new life, signs of rebirth. And that is what this world is all about. It's life and it's rebirth.
This is a perfect image of the spiritual world, where the spiritual world is just a reflection of what we are here, but it's a perfect reflection. I like to take some time and try and find some nature where I can find peace, a little bit of quiet from the daily hustle and bustle, and think about the reason that we're here, the reason that I'm here. And I've gone through many transitions in my life. Very happy at the place I am, helping others, being an inspiration to others, helping them to find their own voice, to find their true meaning in life. And it's not easy, because everybody has a reason why they're here, and finding that reason can be very difficult. But I encourage people to start looking, because without looking, you could never find it. So stretch yourselves. Go out, do things that are unusual for you. Stretch your boundaries. And then you may come into inspiration on a passion that you had lost, a idea that you had forgotten. These are the times that can really help us to take a step forward in life and move forward both physically and spiritually.